Hey guys, and we are back. That is Nicky. What beach are you at? Lindamar Beach. Or Taco Bell Beach? What's up, Teddy? You gonna catch some waves at low tide right now? Alright, go have some fun. Nicky doesn't want to wear a wetsuit anymore, so he's just freeballing it. I tried, but he's not listening. But the kid sweats at night, so he likes cold. I guess that was maybe too much information, but still. His girlfriend's gonna find out about that when he gets older. He's a sweater at bed. Sad fact. Bed sweater. Better than a bed peer. I guess that's a little over the top too. Lindamar Beach. Nicky and Teddy. A little more people out this morning. But if you go to the local side, no one. See? Tricks of the trade. And yes, Marcy's working right now. So if you don't see her, that's why. She's in the office. Well, not in the office, home office. There goes.